I'm Ben Bixby. This is a 1988 Pontiac Fiero. Right up front, we got this nice pointed front bumper with these beautiful flared fenders on the side. Beautiful hood scoop right here. And this amazing front that houses your battery, your power steering, everything beautiful that makes the car run. Coming down the side, we get these nice pointed mirrors, sleek doors with low profile handles, some more flared fenders, these beautiful mud flaps down here. Towards the back, we get this beautiful spoiler back here.
With this engine bay containing a 3.6 liter Impala V6 making 300 horsepower.
Amazing trunk space, beautiful tail lights, and a nice back bumper. On the interior, we have this beautiful tan interior with this Impala swap automatic shift knob. Some beautiful gauges that stick right out in your face. We got this latch back here that gives you some storage space right here. Over here we have handbrake, this beautiful steering wheel with a Fiero, some pedals from a 2018 Impala, beautiful little door pocket right here. Got your antenna right there, these beautiful speakers up here, and a Sony head unit put in. Got your key and charger right here.